Huge announcement, guys. In this video, I will share with you what you can expect from roofing business class because we are coming to the city near you. In the next couple of months, we're going to be in over 8 cities. Here's a few cities me and my team are coming in the next couple of weeks. Nashville, Philadelphia, Dallas, San Antonio, Oklahoma City, Lincoln, Nebraska, Portland, Seattle, and few more to be announced on our website. We're trying to visit as many cities as possible before roofing season starts and help you guys to start the new year strong. Here's what we teach in our classes. We will show you and teach you how to tell your business story, how to charge for estimates and inspections, marketing budget, and what platforms work in 2021. I always go over 30 platforms with my recommendations where you can advertise your roofing business, how to add a repair department to your business, and how to charge thousands, not hundreds, for repairs, and also how much to charge in your market to stay profitable. We'll always do a lot of Q&A, so you can bring your questions and we'll discuss it during the class. We will provide lunch and breakfast. In the afternoon, we usually dive in the numbers, in organic marketing strategies, how to create online content. I show you 15 online offers your business must have in 2021, the most important KPIs and how to track them. We will dive in the CRMs and QuickBooks. This class is designed for startup companies, for someone who've never run a business before. Maybe you're a sub, maybe you're an installer, maybe you're just thinking about starting your business. This class is for you guys. I promise you guys will enjoy our class. We're still holding our record of 0 jerks attended. I've been at many classes at conference where I've seen roofers fist fighting, arguing, and fighting each other in the parking lots. We don't have that energy or that vibe in our classes. We have always amazing group of guys. We attract a different crowd. I want to invite you, if you think you have a high standards and just need a little bit of help to fine-tune your business and get ready for 21, come hang out with us. We'd like to meet you in person. All the information about classes, registrations online. We will sell out in quite a few cities. I know Dallas, San Antonio, always busy, always full class. So make sure you reserve your spot before it's too late. With the COVID-19 rules, with the hotel regulations, we cannot get full classes like we used to. Sitting is usually limited to 1 person per table. Usually we get about 40 people. Hope to see you in one of our classes in the near future. What I'm going to show you and teach you today, you can apply to any business. Give me $100 and a cell phone, drop me anywhere in the United States, give me 30 days and I'll have a construction business for you.
I've been in the industry just under 2 years now. I just, as of this month, started First Defense Roofing. Before roofing, I was a police officer.
If you want to learn how to create more content and what to do and what not to do on social media, I suggest you hit up Roofing Insights Business School. You won't regret it.
One of the things that I found was the Roofing Insights School. It's really helped with some of the concerns that I've had. It's given me some good tips on the kind of content that we want to create, how we want to do it, and how it can directly affect our business. So
I've been following Dmitry for 3 years because I had a company. I've been in sales all my life, basically.